Hello, this is a wall-mounted pull-up bar that doesn't need any screws to the wall. There are two block assemblies, one here and one here. Block assemblies consist of two blocks, 1, 2, and the 4 lever arms, 1, 2, and the 3 and 4 are on the other side. There are also 4 bolts fixed with self-locking nuts. The way it works is you hang on a pull-up bar, it pulls this block down. Through these levers it creates pressure that presses this block to the wall. So when you hang on it, it fixes itself on the wall. One important thing here is behind this block there is a rubber pad. It has two functions. You don't damage the wall, and this assembly doesn't slip off the wall. These blocks are 3D printed. There's a link in the description where you can download the files for your 3D printer. There's also a detailed description on how to print it. I have been using this for almost 4 years. I also put weight on myself when I am working out on it, and the max weight I tested it with was 120 kilograms, and it had no problems. One thing I want to add, I am not responsible for any harm or injuries that can occur using this design. Please be safe when you are using it. If you want to try this design, I hope you like it. I hope you can make some gains with it, and thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.